Welcome back everyone. It's now been basically 2 weeks after the last video and I've actually done quite a bit. I shouldn't show you guys what I've done and what I'd recommend you do when you build your model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off from the right hand side. This is the stand. Okay, and basically it's a loose standing stand. You get a pipe with it that you push in and this goes into the base. Okay, and then the model basically sits on top in this configuration. Okay, so it's balancing, no holes in the model, which is quite nice. Okay, so that's the first thing. So this will be a molded piece. Okay. The second thing I did was I did the wing antenna. What I recommend is, I have explained in the manual, drill a 1.2mm hole into the area and then stick it in 2mm. And then what I did on this, I put a dab of crystal clear on the end. You can use epoxy as well, and the reason for that is because this can stab you. Okay, it's literally a needle. Okay, I use a needle because I want something to be strong. I don't want it to bend. Okay, so put something on the end so you don't get stabbed. Okay, do that on both of them. Okay, what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've glued all the little pieces in, and I've printed out the piping for the sides of the engines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a packet of wire. So there will be a picture of how to put it in, but you can add it in on your own manually. All I've done is I've actually made a print of the wiring of both sides. Okay, so you can either use this as a guide or you can actually glue it directly in yourself. Once you've glued it in, just cut off the little tabs that's holding it together. Okay, I'm going to glue them in because I don't have time to bend the wires, but you will get the wires to do that. Okay, what I've done as well is I've completed the cockpit and the sides of the avionics. So I've gone ahead, I've painted all that, I've glued it in. What I've done is I've printed out the fuel cap, or it's actually a fuel cap, but it's supposed to be a canopy release, and that is very tiny. I'll show you how it looks. So there's two of them. I'm going to leave them on the stands for painting. I'm not going to cut them off in the packaging, but there is two of them. Okay. And as for the cockpit, let's take this off. Okay, you can see I've gone ahead and I've glued all the decals in. Like in the seats, I went with the chevron. Okay, so this comes out, and as explained, this just slides out. Okay, straight out. Okay, so here's the cockpit. Okay, very, very nicely made for lighting. At the back you can drill holes through. That looks good. I'm happy with the detail. Okay, what else? I think that's it for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the piping, and then I'll take photos and I'll put them onto the build instructions. Okay, so that's it for now. Till the next one.